BANDH HASTA UTTANASANA, locked hand raising pose. Intensity. In step 1, stand erect, feet together and cross your wrist in front of the body. Inhale while raising your arms and exhale while lowering the arms. Now, slowly raise the arms above your head while inhaling. See step 2 and 3. Return to step 1. Repeat 10 to 15 times or as per your comfort level. Relax. Benefits: rectifies round shoulders and removes stiffness from the shoulders and upper back. Improves blood circulation of the whole body, especially the brain. Precautions: avoid if peripheral artery disease, any pain or surgery of hands and chest.